Today,
Yeah.
you're gonna do this ready-made shark attack slimy glue.
Yeah.
But,
Yeah.
you know what?
What?
Do you know what?
What?
It says it's not for children.
Yeah.
Are you a child?
No, I'm a
What?
kid.
What are you?
I'm 5, so I'm a kid.
You're 5?
Yeah.
Oh, so okay. It says for children under 3 years old. So I guess you can do it.
Yay!
All right. So
Yeah.
let's pick a spot.
Where's the best spot in our kid? It's a backyard. No.
No, I don't know if you want to take it outside. Do you?
Well, maybe. I'll get the carpet.
You can just play on the floor,
What?
right, and see
Yeah.
how it goes.
Yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see.
Slowly, you're gonna open them up and see what's happening. But there's no instructions though.
Whoa!
No, don't get it on that rug over there. Grandma's gonna get crazy mad. You gotta keep it on the floor. Okay.
I got the side.
Go get all of the other. I think you left some stuff on the table.
Maybe I did. Let's see if I left on the table. Oh, I left this on the table. It's just sparkles.
That's what I'm saying. You got a couple of things. He's gonna play with slime. Slime glue.
Oh, I know that's still happening. Shallow, getting bigger now.
Oh yeah, big turtle. Yeah,
Shallow, yeah.
yeah,
Shallow getting bigger, double bigger.
yeah. We were
Uncle,
playing. We were
can
playing
you open
outside.
this? Can you open it that too? It's
Okay.
dangly. Uncle, can you open these two?
Okay. So if I do, what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna pour it in here and then that and then put the squishy in.
Okay. Let me see.
Okay. Back.
So all this is gonna go inside there.
Yeah.
All right. So bring me
that's it. That's
bring me
it.
that container.
Okay.
Because like I said, there's no instructions.
Yeah. Smush, smush, smush. on Skye.
Okay. Here you go. There's one. Put it nicely so you don't spill everywhere.
Okay, should I put a lot?
I don't know how that works.
Maybe put all of it. Okay, I put some.
Put some.
Yeah.
And then you're also gonna put this guy too.
Yeah, I have to put that guy in too.
Okay. This is like little shiny sharks.
Yeah.
Okay. I gotta open it still.
Yeah, you have to open.
Okay. Set this down.
Spread that
See
over.
what's happening. Does it get all over your hands?
No? Oh, I only got all over that. Spread it all over. Whoa! You ate that?
Biting it. Okay, it's open.
Whoa! I poured too much.
Oh, dude, it's overflowing.
Oh my god.
Okay, so whatever you're not gonna use for now, let's put it on the side so we don't keep spilling it. Okay, all those fallen sharks, let's put it all in the container. What do you think? Right? Whatever that you didn't put inside. Let's try to get all these guys in there. Mix them in there. Mix them like, you know what, Skye? Mix it like mochi. It's like mochi, bro. Start just mixing and smushing and putting it all, but you got to get all these guys in there too, Skye. Sprinkle all these little shiny hologram sharks. Gotta get all of them, bro. Somehow pick them up like this. You're gonna have to pile them and sprinkle. It's like you're making a cupcake.
The rainbow.
Yeah, they're shiny.
stick by stick. Sticky, sticky, sticky. Okay, let me put the shark in.
Oh, dude, you got another guy in there?
Yeah, you have to put your shark in it, it says.
That's a shark?
Yeah.
What about, you gotta get all of them. You gonna waste these guys?
I think that's enough. Look, see? It says you have to cover it. You have to cover it. It says you have to cover it, Uncle. You have to cover it.
Okay.
And maybe you wait. Then open it.
Ready made. Mix and play.
Let's play with this. Let's play, let's play, let's play.
So once you take them out, you can probably pick these guys up too. With your glob of slime. Except for
And all of it.
that. Whoa. What do you think?
It's awesome. I can see my little sharky. Say hi. See him?
They're all mixed in the slime, huh?
Yeah. It said you had to mix it. Look, see?
I know. Just like that.
Does it look like it?
Yeah, it does.
Actually, it says you had to cover it. Wow.
How's about you try to pick these guys up off the floor with that slime? Can you do that? Oh, look at that. Just picked them all up.
I think you can put this in somewhere. I think I had to put this.
Now you got a little slime mix container
Yeah, I think you have to leave this somewhere and wait.
in your treasure chest.
Maybe I'll leave it in here.
Ooh, in your truck?
Yeah.
Okay.
Any?
Yeah, you just made some slime. You want to show Auntie?
No.
Auntie wants to see what you made.
Because I want.
It's a secret in there. Show her real quick.
You want to be sure there's not red mouth. Oh, hot is sweet, so pickle. That's okay, if any.
So how long do we have to wait?
You don't have to wait. Nobody says. It just says mix and play.
But
It's ready.
I think it says to cover, so we have to cover it and wait. So what should we do when it waits?
Oh, you got the spider too. Does any go in the slime?
No, it didn't come with a spider. So maybe this is my treasure box. So it didn't come with it. I was smashed.
Okay.
Okay, now what do we do? Go. Let's play with Robot Go.
So you just gotta wait till slime is ready.